I've traveled every road in this whole UP. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the UP fair, man. Hi, this is Jim Islip with MSU Extension, and this is What's Up at Uprec on July 13th, 2020. Today we're checking in on the North Farm crew as they harvest cucumbers as part of the Farm to Kitchen project.
Greetings from the North Farm. My name is Allison Stawara, and I am the North Farm Research Coordinator here. And today we are standing in our passive solar hoop house here on the North Farm property. And standing next to me are some of our greenhouse cucumbers that we are doing a variety trial on through collaboration with the University of Wisconsin Seed to Kitchen Collaborative through funding we garnered from the Organic Valley. So our growing system for greenhouse cucumbers, unlike field cucumbers, which are typically grown on the ground, you can see, have trellised these up on some baling twine, and these are being held up both through tomato clips and also the curling action of the tendrils that cucumbers naturally have on them. So one reason why we do this is to make it easier to harvest because they're at eye level and we're not bending over on the ground to grab these, and it also keeps them much cleaner. It usually helps cut down on disease and gives you fruit that's less likely to be dirty or blemished from laying on the ground. We're growing 5 different varieties of cucumbers. These are all parthenocarpic varieties, which means that they are able to produce fruit without being pollinated, which is important when you are in a covered growing space because the covered space prevents some pollinators from getting in. So this is kind of a safety net for us to grow varieties that will produce fruit without needing a pollinator to do so. So like I said, these are all seedless varieties as well, so the seeds will not mature, which is a desirable trait in a slicing cucumber. These are all considered fresh eating varieties as well, and we are comparing both how well they grow in the hoop house, how vigorous the different plants are, how well they resist disease in here, and then we're also looking at some more subjective traits like flavor, bitterness, and texture as well. So we're doing both pretty traditional variety trial data collection and then some more consumer-oriented sensory data collection as well.
That's What's Up at Uprec on July 13th, 2020. Hope to see you again next time. Hermsville, Allenville, Randville, Eagle Harbor, Watersmeet, Matchwood, Marquette, Bergman, Germfast, Gladstone, Two-Heart, Wilson, Winnisek, Kinchlow, Kenton, Newberry, White Pine, Wakefield, Watton, kind of scary. I've been everywhere, man.